We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up FaZe stock. We are in the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle. Look like it's coming from an area of support of a pattern. So we do have price action overall, lower lows, price action overall, higher highs. We also have that midpoint, and we have the price is currently at, and also we're going to add the highest point of this long wick to see what's going on in that market. So we are looking for price to see if it's going to work its way sideways for that consolidation. Is it going to break this area here, retest the top of that resistance, or is it going to come back down to the at least the area of the previous long wick, or drop down further? So below price, we do have that pattern that market's pushed up from. So if you look at it overall, invisible line coming down for the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, and market push one huge time. We haven't seen a retest anywhere here yet, or anywhere in the area, at least on the monthly time frame. We're going to see if it followed through with the retest as we walk down the time frame. On the weekly time frame, price action, huge bullish solid green candle. Okay, the fourth last candle is a retest, so it created the area of support. There's another retest here with the second last candle, third last candle in the market, and the market pushed. So as we walk down the time frame, we probably see a retest somewhere in this area. On the daily time frame, okay, so we see multiple retests. So let's see what's going on. Price action on the daily time frame, huge bullish green candle, push up to this area of resistance. We do have a pattern here, so market pushed up for that incline. So let's see what we see. We do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, one retest, the market pushed up twice. So we have a price came from an original W at the bottom of that area of lowest lows or near lowest lows, and we did receive another W here for that the market to push up. So price action is currently coming from a double bottom. So price action with the bullish green candle broke the previous area. So we're going to see if market is going to work its way sideways for that consolidation, come back to retest, or break down further with a huge bearish red candle to push that market down. On the 4-hour time frame, price action, small bullish green candle, second last candle in the market, also a large bullish green candle. We can see that W much clearer in this area here on the 4-hour time frame. So we see that first, second, third, fourth. Okay, market did break that SR line, so we didn't follow up with a retest yet, so we're going to see what the market is doing. On the 3-hour time frame, so we have price action on the 3-hour time frame is a bullish green doji with a long wick down to the bottom. So this may be identifying as a retest as we walk down further. Second last candle has spiked up to that high of that resistance, and then price action is the retest. So we're going to see what's going on. So also price action is within the second last candle. I mean, we do have price above the price action wick is above the previous wick. Price action body is above the previous body, which can push that market up further, but market is running to that resistance. So market is identifying two pushes to that top, which is identifying a double top, and also slightly side by side, so a bit of consolidation. On a 2-hour time frame, price action, bullish green candle, still showing the same thing as a previous one. Extension of candles, price action still showing that area of support, and then second last candle is showing that spike up to the high. Price action is running to that area of resistance, so it's still reading the same thing from the 4-hour time frame, 3-hour time frame, 2-hour time frame, and now we're on a 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, we do have a huge bullish green candle. Second last candle is a doji, which is a retest. Third last candle is a push. So what's happening is that, and as we walk down here, this area will identify as a retest. So third to last candle spiked up, second last candle pushed down for the retest, and then price action pushed up. So we are on that market's going to work its way up. We are on that first leg, second leg. So we're going to see if that second leg breaks out, come back to retest, to work its way up for that incline W. Now, if not, we are looking for a bearish red candle to engulf at least the second to last candle, bearish red doji, close out to push that market back down for a full retest to that midpoint of that SR line that we did find on the monthly time frame. On the 45 minutes, still reading the same thing, a bit more of a consolidation. So third to last candle has spiked up, second last candle worked its way sideways, and price action engulfed the previous one and pushed up to that high of that SR line. In total, market spiked up once, market spiked up twice, market spiked up 3 times, market pushed up 4. Still having a hard time breaking. That's 4 pushes up to that top, and we can see as we walk down what's really going on is that market is consolidating. Price action candle, second last candle, third last candle, and some of fourth last candle is within each other, so we're going to see what's going on. On the 30-minute time frame, we do have price action as a bullish green candle with a spike down to the low. So it created that area of support here with the price action. So what's happening is the fifth to last candle has spiked up, worked its way sideways, came back to retest, worked its way sideways again, and finally pushed up. So it's still reading that first leg, second leg. So we're going to see if that market is going to break out, retest, still work its way up, or is it going to try to do a M pattern and then drop back down. So we're still looking for that engulfment. If it's going to happen, bearish red candle against the price second, third, the fourth to last candle, maybe some of the fifth, and close out for that market to push down further. If not, market is still within that consolidation of that near the resistance. So just identifying overall break, retest, and the market pushed. On the 15-minute time frame, price action, bullish green candle. Identifying this spike up to that high with the second last candle. So let's read the market. So we have multiple touches. We had that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, and the market pushed up once. Price action is coming from a triple bottom, or price action could be coming from multiple pushes to that top, starting from this green bullish candle here. So market spiked up first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, and if it's denied with a bearish red candle, that's going to engulf the second last candle. Market's coming down from a triple top. So far, we are still within consolidation. Market is working its way sideways. Price action on a 5-minute time frame just went up to a new level. Okay, hanging out that resistance, so we can see that patterns working its way up for that incline W. So we do have that first, second, third, fourth retest, and market just hanging out. So if it does drop down, market's coming from the type of triple top of that area. If not, we can receive that first, second, third, fourth retest, and the market breaks out from a double bottom and a retest. On a 3-minute time frame, reading the same thing as well. Price acts as a doji, just retesting the SR line. So we want to see price action break above the seventh to last candle in the market, at least a wick. So we'll be identifying a break and retest for that market to work its way up further. If not, we look for that bearish candle to still close out. On the 1-minute time frame, market came back to support. So market broke up, came back to support, and consolidated sideways. So we're looking for still a bullish green candle, a bearish red candle in that area to push that market up or down.